Hello everyone. Welcome to the short video intro on Bagan Technologies. Our business focus is mainly IT and semiconductor, with infrastructure and agriculture added of late. We are an Indo-German company based in Coimbatore, India and Cologne, Germany. We registered our operations with ROC in India Q1 2005 and with IHACA in Germany Q3 2012. We run under the name Bagan Technologies Private Limited in India and under the name Bagan Sebico Consulting in Germany. Let me introduce the two main business verticals, IT and semiconductor. IT. We have an excellent track record in the global market and our presence in the domestic market is equally laudable. At Bagan, you can shop for an array of our expertise. These include the following domain: software design, development, consultation and maintenance, mobile application design and development, web design and web development services, search engine optimization, and web hosting. Semiconductor. As far as the semiconductor industry is concerned, we believe that the industry has a great growth projection in India and is in its nascent stage now. We, along with our partners, provide end-to-end complete business solutions encompassing PCB, embedded FPGA and ASICs. It has been quite a fun and travel over the years with Bagan. We have grown from a startup to a small and mid-sized company as to what we are today. As introduced earlier, we have an Indo-German work culture with the work ethics of the German and Indian culture. By current projections, we will cross 0.2 million euros in revenue end Q4 2013. Our major customers come from France, Australia, Indonesia, Germany and of course India. We are in the process of increasing our IT footprint in Germany, mainly concentrating on integration and growth of Indian IT services and products in Germany. The semiconductor industry has a huge growth potential in India over the next decade or so. This is a great chance for future business growth between India and Germany. We are constantly looking for development partners to work together with to increase our technical capabilities and market size. The business models of partnership is worked out in each case separately, depending on the needs, creating a win-win situation for all the parties involved. If you are an investor looking for great startups, our company will be the one you are looking for. Depending on your portfolio, we have 4 verticals: IT, semiconductor, infrastructure and agriculture. All the reliable information is detailed in our website www.bagan.com. We will be looking forward for your interest in our company in the upcoming days. Thank you all, and this is Bharat signing off. Have a great time.